Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this video we are going to continue learning about the tools available in the Adobe Illustrator. Before I start, I kindly request to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. In the previous tutorial you have learned about the basic tools. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial yet, you will find the link in the description below. Let's start. The next tool we are going to learn is the pen tool. So, the first thing you make sure that you just have the stroke selected. As you can see at my window, my stroke is set to black. It doesn't really matter the color you have. But in the fill, just make sure there is no color selected. If you have the fill color selected, just click this none box here. And the reason for this is, like I have this simple curve here. And if I apply a fill to it, it will look like this. That is why you just have to select only the stroke color when you are using pen tool. Now let's start. If you click and hold the pen tool, you will see the other tools also. So let's talk about the pen tool first. I will start by the straight lines. That's how you can draw the straight lines by using the pen tool. Position the pen tool where you want the line to begin and click to make an anchor point. Click again where you want the line to end. Continue clicking to make other anchor points to extend the line. By pressing Shift key, you can create perfect horizontal or vertical lines. When you continue clicking to make anchor points and return to first anchor point, here you will see this little circle, and this is the sign of closed path. When you click, you will get a closed shape. So this is how you can make the lines using the pen tool. Now I will tell you that how to make curves using the pen tool. For curve, just click to make the first anchor point. Click again, hold and drag to give a curve. Press the Alt key and click here to hide the handle. Or you can simply just click here to hide the handle and to make more smooth curves. Like this. When you return to the first anchor point, you will see this little circle. Click here to get a closed shape. Here you go. This is how you can create curves and make curved objects. Now, here the next tool is the Add Anchor Point tool. And the shortcut for Add Anchor Point tool is plus sign. When you hover the pen tool at the path, you will see this plus sign, which means that you can add an anchor point. So just click on the path to create an anchor point. Now, by using the direct selection tool, you can adjust the anchor point. As you have learned in the previous tutorial, that direct selection tool is used to adjust the anchor points. So by the direct selection tool, adjust the anchor point. Like this. Now let's come to the next one, which is the Delete Anchor Point tool. When you hover the pen tool on any anchor point, you will see this minus mark, which means when you click here, the anchor point will get deleted. Like this. So this is how you can use this tool. Now the next tool is the Anchor Point tool. Its shortcut is Shift C. So basically it is used to give curves to the straight lines. For example, this is a rectangle. And now select the anchor point tool. When you hover at the path of the rectangle, you will see the cursor changes. You will see that the cursor changes to this little black arrow along with this little curve segment. So now click on the path and drag to make the curve. Here you go. Like this you can play with the anchor point tool. Now the next comes the curvature tool, which is right next to the pen tool. Curvature tool is very similar to the pen tool. The main difference between curvature tool and pen tool is that when you click to make an anchor point and again click and hold and position your second anchor point, and if here you click, you will see the curve line as a guide to draw a curve around so that we can see that how the curve is going to look. So we can adjust this by moving the mouse around until we get the angle that is right for us. Now we click again and it will set an anchor point in the appropriate place and we can continue that curve. Now you can see that on coming back to the first anchor point, it will automatically adjust the curve. Now click to get a closed shape. And of course, with the curvature tool, you can click on any of the anchor points and adjust them like this. So this tool is really helpful in creating a nice shape with the nice smooth points. So you can pull these points around to adjust the angle. And you can even add additional anchor point with the curvature tool. Just click anywhere on the path and you will be able to adjust the additional anchor point. So this is how you can use the curvature tool in Adobe Illustrator. So here comes the next tool, which is the type tool. Its shortcut is T. When you click and hold on the type tool, you will see there are a bunch of other options also. So first, let's come to the type tool. With the type tool, we are going to do two different things. First, we are going to simply click OK, and here you can write the text you want. And the only way to get out of this selection is you can come up here at the selection tool. And if you want to continue writing the text again from where you left, just select the type tool and click where you left and just start writing again. You can also adjust the text size and font also. Just select the text and go to the type menu here, and from here you can change the size of the text, and from here you can change the font of the text. You can also change the color of the text. Just select the text and come here at the fill color. Here select the color and click OK. Type tool, you will see there are a bunch of other options. The second thing is that you can make the text box using the type tool to write the text. You just click, hold and drag to make a text box, and inside the text box you can write the text. Here it is automatically filled with the text because I have certain settings activated. So ignore this, and here you can write the text you want to write. You can also transform this text box. Just go to the selection tool here, and now you can transform it. And also you can rotate it like this. So the next option in the list is the area type tool. And what you can do is you can basically take an ellipse or any shape or star, it doesn't really matter. So take any shape you want. Now select the area type tool and click on the path of the shape. So again you can write the text here, and the text is going to fill this area. And make sure that your text do not go outside the area. So that is how you can use the area type tool. The next option in the list is type on a path tool. And it is one of the coolest tools to use. And basically what we're gonna do is we are going to again create an ellipse. So now select the type on a path tool and click on the edge of the shape. And here you can start typing your text on the path. Now here, as you can see these lines outside the shape, so just click at the line, hold and drag inside the ellipse. So this is how you can also drag your text inside the ellipse. Also, you can adjust your anchor points of the circle by using the direct selection tool. Click the anchor point and adjust. So this is how you can use the type on the path tool. Now the next three tools are basically the same thing. Like this is the type tool, here is the vertical type tool. You will be writing the text vertically, like this. So this is the area type tool, here is the vertical area type tool. Just opposite of the area type tool. You will be writing the text vertically and other things are same as the area type tool. And the same thing with the vertical type on a path tool. It is just opposite of the type on a path tool. So only the text will be vertical. Other things will remain same as the type on a path tool. Now the very last option, the touch type tool, and its shortcut is Shift T. Like this is a text, and by the touch type tool we can select the individual letter. Like this. You can resize the letter. You can move the letter wherever you want. Like this, you can play with the letters by using the touch type tool. You will be learning about more tools in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.